Did you know that in the US alone, there are over 14,000 car accidents every single day? And in most of those cases, there's no solid video evidence to back up who was really at fault. That's where dash cams come in, not just as a cool gadget, but as a crucial tool for your safety, security, and even peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, a road tripper, or just someone who wants to protect their vehicle while parked, a dash cam can be your silent witness, recording everything from breathtaking landscapes to unexpected accidents. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 best dash cams on the market, covering every need from high-end 4K triple cameras to budget-friendly, compact options that still pack serious features. So if you're thinking about investing in a dash cam or upgrading your current one, stick around. We've got you covered. And don't forget, check out the links in the description for the latest discounts on every dash cam we mention in this video. Now, let's dive in. Let's start with the Garmin Drive, Cam 76, which we chose as the top pick for a 2-in-1 dash cam. It combines a GPS navigation system with a built-in camera and features a bright, easy-to-read 7-inch display. This dash cam captures full HD video at 30 frames per second, offering enough clarity to easily read license plates and other important details. That level of sharpness can be a game changer. We've all seen those crime shows where blurry footage made it impossible to catch a suspect. This cam helps you avoid that. Where the Drive Cam 76 really shines is in its set of smart features. One standout is the automatic video backup to a secure online vault, perfect if you love recording road trips or capturing travel content for your vlog. You also get hands-free calling when paired with your phone through Bluetooth, plus voice control using Garmin's built-in assistant. So you can ask for directions or make a call without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Another nice touch is the Road Trip Ready feature, which includes helpful recommendations from TripAdvisor, traveler ratings, and Wi-Fi for fast map and software updates. And don't forget the Garmin Drive app. It gives you real-time updates on traffic, gas prices, and weather. Something as simple as a heads up about a traffic jam can help you reroute and save time instead of getting stuck for half an hour. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam that also helps you navigate and comes packed with helpful extras, the Garmin Drive Cam 76 is a solid choice. Now let's talk about the Red Tiger F7 4K dash cam. Best value for money. This one's a solid choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that still packs a punch. It gives you front and rear recording in 4K and 1080p, along with impressive night vision. For what you pay, you really get more than expected. First off, the screen is super clear. It's on the smaller side, which is great because it won't block your view while driving. Still, the resolution is top-notch. You'll be surprised at how sharp it looks, especially considering the price tag. Video quality during the day is also excellent. The front camera records an Ultra HD 4K at 3840 by 2160 resolution. It covers a wide 170-degree angle up front and 140 degrees in the back, giving you solid coverage without the weird distortion that often comes with overly wide lenses. At night, the front camera holds up but pretty well too, thanks to its Sony Starvis sensor. It handles low light conditions better than most budget cams. While the footage might not be crystal clear, it still gives you enough detail and performs close to higher-priced competitors. It also includes useful safety features like a built-in GPS, which can be a real lifesaver when navigating or verifying trip details after an incident. It features loop recording, so when the G sensor detects a sudden jolt, it automatically starts recording and locks the important footage without needing any input from you. There's also a 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse recording, which helps conserve battery power while still keeping an eye on your vehicle when it's parked and unattended. All in all, the Red Tiger offers serious value and features that rival many premium dash cams, making it a great pick for drivers who want strong performance without breaking the bank. Next is the Vantrue N5. Many drivers see it as the best dash cam for full-on vehicle coverage. Its triple-channel setup records the front road, the cabin, and the rear window all at once. Up front, the lens packs a 155-degree view in sharp 4K 2160p, grabbing a wide slice of highway. The rear camera stretches 160 degrees in crisp 1080p, so whatever happens behind you is on record. Whether you're cruising or parked, you'll have proof if something goes down. In night driving, the N5 is really brilliant. Inside, 4 infrared LEDs light up the cabin, while a Sony Starvis 2 sensor outside locks onto fast-moving cars and license plates even under weak streetlights. That's a big plus for rideshare pros and anyone who logs late-night miles. So, whether you're checking on passengers or simply logging your daily drive, this cam delivers clear, steady video 24/7. The N5's Smart Parking Mode is another highlight. A low bit rate setting keeps the camera rolling without eating your memory card, and motion plus impact sensors wake it only when something or someone gets too close. If a car taps your bumper while you're in the store, the N5 jumps into action and catches it. Loop recording makes sure the card never maxes out. New clips replace the oldest ones unless you lock them. In short, the camera is always ready for the next incident. Finally, a built-in G sensor locks vital footage the instant it feels a jolt, so that evidence stays safe. With razor-sharp video day or night and features that cover nearly every driving scenario, it easily ranks among the best dash cams on the market. Next on the list is our pick for the best Garmin Mini dash cam. It records in 1080p, which is perfect for everyday driving and general coverage. Its low-key, compact design makes installation a breeze, and once it's in place, you'll probably forget it's even there. It's also easy on the budget, which makes it a great option if you're after something straightforward, dependable, and affordable. This camera is about the size of a car key, so it barely takes up any space on your windshield. That means you'll have a completely clear view of the road while still capturing everything you need. With a 140-degree field of view, it might not be the widest around, but it still covers several lanes and roadside action without missing a beat. One feature that stands out is the voice control, which lets you start and stop recordings hands-free. It also supports 6 languages, so whether you speak English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, or Swedish, the interface is ready to work for you. There's a handy parking guard feature as well, which can alert your phone if something happens while your car is parked. Just keep in mind that you'll need a paid Vault subscription to use this function. This dashcam is all about keeping things simple and effective, because it's ideal for folks who want solid performance in a tiny, easy-to-use device. Built by Garmin, it checks all the boxes for reliability and ease of use. And with its wallet-friendly price, it's a smart way to add a layer of protection to your ride without spending a fortune. Next on our list is a unique pick for full coverage protection. The Pruvio D90, a 4-channel dashcam that's all about giving you eyes in every direction. This dashcam features 4 separate lenses, each capable of recording in crisp 1080p. That means you're not just getting the front and rear like most standard models. You're also covering the left and right sides of your car at the same time. With this setup, you're basically getting 360-degree visibility with no blind spots. Plus, the front 3 lenses can be adjusted to fine-tune your view and capture extra details, or even turn one inward to record the cabin if you need interior coverage. If you often park in busy or questionable areas, the time-lapse parking mode will be a big win. It captures 1 frame per second while parked, turning an hour of footage into a 1-minute video. This saves memory space and makes reviewing clips super fast. One standout feature is the built-in GPS logger, which tracks your route, speed, and location in real time. Using the GPS video player, you can visually review your driving path with precise coordinates, a huge plus for any insurance claims or emergency help situations. The built-in Wi-Fi makes it super convenient to connect the dash cam to your phone. Just download the free app and you can set up the cam, watch footage, and even download or share clips straight from your smartphone to your favorite social media platforms. When it comes to night driving, the D90 holds its own. The inside lens uses an f1.8 aperture paired with 4 infrared lights, allowing for clear video even in total darkness. Perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone frequently on the road at night. Other handy features include loop recording, which ensures your camera keeps running by automatically deleting old, unlocked footage when the memory card fills up. If there's a crash or sudden impact, the built-in G sensor will instantly lock the video file to protect it from being overwritten. All in all, if you're looking for a dash cam that gives you full 360-degree protection, reliable night vision, and smart features like GPS and Wi-Fi, the D90 is a rock-solid choice, offering full coverage without compromise. Last but not least on our list is the Rove R2 dash cam. This model stands out for its excellent night vision thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, and it records crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second, all without breaking the bank. Like a few others we've covered, it comes as a front and rear camera setup. The front cam shoots in ultra-clear 3840 by 2160p, while the rear records at 1920 by 1080p. You also get a solid 150-degree field of view up front and 140 degrees in the back, giving you full coverage of the road and surroundings. Nighttime performance is a major highlight here. With the Sony Starvis 2 sensor on board, this dashcam performs really well in low-light environments, delivering clear and usable footage even after the sun goes down. It's also loaded with helpful features like built-in GPS, which logs your location and speed, and the loop recording that automatically overwrites old videos once your memory card is full. The built-in G sensor detects sudden movements or impacts and locks those video clips so they don't get erased by new footage. Overall, the Rove R2 brings a lot to the table: high-resolution video, strong low-light performance, and essential safety features, all at a price that makes it one of the best bang-for-your-buck dash cams out there. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check the links in the description to get latest discounts for every dash cam.